too much going on.
Honestly.
Hang on.
Okay.
According to Webster Dictionary, physics is a science that deals with matter and energy and their interactions, the physical processes and phenomena of a particular system. It includes projectile motion and torque, gravity, friction/rotating frames of reference, machines, collisions, centripetal acceleration, light, sound, Snell's law in lenses, electrostatics, electricity or circuits.
Wow, that's so cool. Give me an example.
Projectile motion is dependent upon displacement in both the horizontal and vertical directions, which determine an object's trajectory. Okay, so now when you push in the door.
Hey, I remember torque. That was definitely the most interesting thing we ever went over. I can do this one. Torque is a twisting force that tends to cause rotation.
Gravity, or a spooky action at a distance, is a downward acceleration with a numerical value of 9.8 meters per second squared. Friction, a force that opposes motion, is made up of two categories, static and kinetic friction. For me, the most interesting topic discussed was machines, because I enjoyed learning about how they are used in our everyday lives as they multiply force and change its direction.
Okay, that's great, guys, but for tomorrow's test, I need a crash course on collisions. Haha, get it?
You're hilarious. Brooke, can you help us explore about collisions?
Sure.
Okay, so collisions 101, don't text to drive, 2 hands on the wheel, 10 and 2.
Well, yeah, if you're in driver's ed, but we have to teach her the physics behind collisions.
A collision takes place when a moving object comes in contact with another moving or still object. There are 2 types of collisions. The first is an elastic collision, in which momentum and kinetic energy is conserved. When the second, an inelastic collision, takes place, momentum is conserved, but kinetic energy is not. Momentum is used to describe the intensity of a collision and can be described by the equation P equals mv, where m equals the mass of the object and v equals the velocity of the object. When 2 objects with different masses collide, the lighter object is propelled while the heavier object's displacement is minimal.
That makes so much more sense now. I remember what we learned after that too. Next, we went over centripetal acceleration, light, and sound. Centripetal acceleration is an imaginary force created by the illusion that an object is being pushed in an outward direction. Light is the electromagnetic radiation of any wavelength, whether visible or not. Sound is a mechanical wave that results from the back and forth vibration of the particles of the medium through which the sound wave is traveling through.
When light passes through a transparent lens, it either converges or diverges. The change in index of refraction influences the bending of light. When light passes through a lens, an image can be inverted, enlarged, or minimized. Electrostatics is a study of electric charges and electric fields. When like charges interact, they repel one another. Opposite charges attract one another. Charge can never be created nor destroyed.